Yeah, hi everyone. My name is Ravi Dhruv, and I have recently passed a CCIE routing and switching course from I-Medita. My tutor's name is Saurabh Yadav, and we had practiced a lot of things during this 6 months of training. Usually, we used to sit around 12 to 1 a.m. in the night, and we used to practice like each and every point from each and every sections, starting from layer 2, layer 3 VPNs and security infrastructure services. Each and every point are covered on this, and you will get a lot of help if you join the I-Medita. And Saurabh Yadav is a very talented person. He is himself a dual CCIE, and he has a lot of knowledge in various topics, and he could help you out really well to pass this CCIE certification course. So yes, I would recommend, if you want to do some expert level of certification, then it is recommended to join I-Medita, and because you get a lot of help over here. Even during my last week before I appeared for the exam, we used to stay till late nights over here, and even in the early mornings we used to have some classes, if not possible at the night. So yes, you get 24/7 lab services over here, and tutor is ready to help you every time, and the students over here practice together so that they can clear the doubts of each and every section that we are practicing throughout the training. Yeah, thank you.